Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in the wonderful Tuscany. We are in the central part of Italy, right by the border with the region of Umbria. All of this area is called the Tiber Valley because it is crossed by the famous river Tiber. Today we are here to visit together a beautifully restored country house, which is currently run as an agriturismo, but can be easily converted into a beautiful getaway holiday home. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is composed of the main farmhouse and of the former barn, which is currently used as a guest house. Then it is surrounded and immersed inside of its 9,200 square meters of external space, 7,000 of which are a beautiful vineyard. It is a hobby vineyard for a personal production and personal use. Then there are 55 wonderful olive trees, which produce approximately 320 kgs of olives per year. A 6 kilowatt photovoltaic system supplies the property with electricity. In terms of water, there is a mains water connection for the indoor spaces and a private well to water all of the external areas. We are located close by to the medieval village of Anghiari. Really charming and with some excellent restaurants. 20 minutes away we have Arezzo, the next largest city, and Florence is about 1 hour and 20 minutes away. In terms of airports, the closest one is Perugia, Florence and Bologna, all within 1.5 to 2 hours of drive. The farmhouse and the former barn have been both finally and completely restored. The works are finished in 2021, so they are brand new and have been restored, keeping the original features and details like these beautiful exposed stones and bricks. But on the inside you will notice how there are several modern facilities and systems, granting this property an excellent energy ranking. Before we see the main farmhouse, I would like to quickly show you this beautiful guest house. This is the old barn of the property. It is beautifully restored, just like the farmhouse. On this main area, we have the common space with the dining table, the kitchen, and it is 45 square meters approximately, which is about 500 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms. The first bedroom is on this level over there, and the second bedroom is upstairs. It is currently used as a sitting area. On my right side, we have the bathroom of the guest house. We are now inside the main farmhouse. We are on the ground level. This is where generally they used to keep animals. In fact, on the lower level, generally ceilings are lower and there is always an outdoor staircase. In fact, there is one on the other side to access the first level. In fact, this floor can be accessed through several doors that you will see around, perfect in the summertime to get to the external spaces. As we get here to the central space, we notice straight away these beautiful original details, these huge, charming wooden details on the ceiling with the terracotta tiles. On the floor, this time we have beautiful stone slabs. All of the walls are painted in this colorful colors that give charm and this Tuscan look to the property. In terms of layout, as soon as we walk in, we have on the left side of the door a service bathroom for the common areas. Then next we have these wooden staircases that lead to the upper level, and then we have 2 bedrooms. Both of the bedrooms have their own ensuite bathroom. The first one is over here, beautiful large bathroom with its own independent access. Welcome inside the second bedroom. As well, here we have its own independent access, so if you close this door you can access the bedroom without having to pass through the common area. It begins with its large ensuite bathroom with shower over here. Then we keep going to the bedroom. It is nice and spacious, stone slabs on the floors as well, these huge beams on the ceiling, and on both sides of the walls we have these gorgeous exposed stone and bricks that gives really lots of charm to this space. Welcome to the first level of the property. Here instead we have a beautiful square tiled terracotta, the wooden beams on the ceiling as well. As a layout, right now this is the reception area with the reception desk here. Over here we have a little bar area. And on this side you notice what I told you earlier about the access onto the first level directly. In fact, on that side of the property there is an external staircase which leads to a beautiful loggia, ideal for the warmer summer days to stay in the shade and enjoy the outdoor spaces. From this room here, we get to the stairs to go to the bedrooms, and let me show you on my right the breakfast room. Here we have the spacious breakfast room. It is beautifully decorated with these checkered floors and colorful walls. Views on 2 sides of the property. We actually have the corner view, so it's full of light. Over here we have the kitchen of the property. Right now it's a small kitchenette. If the house gets converted into a private residence, it would be simple to turn even this whole room into a beautiful large kitchen, making this like a pantry space or a secondary smaller kitchen, and converting this whole area into a beautiful large kitchen with an island maybe over here, and on this side maybe 2 wardrobes as a storage for the kitchen. On the opposite side, connected to the main central area beside the breakfast room, we have this other beautiful living area. This is a sitting space perfect to relax in front of this fireplace. Have a look at this stone fireplace. This is original, antique and restored. On the floor we have this wonderful parquet wood floor, and even here the walls have been painted with this colorful decoration, keeping the wooden beams on the ceiling. And being on another end of the property, we have also here a corner view with lots of natural light. And we are now on the third and last level of the property. Here we find in this central area parquet floor. We went through these beautiful wooden steps, and we have the 3 other bedrooms of the house. Let's begin with the first one over here. This is the first bedroom of the last floor. As we enter, we have a wardrobe on my right side. Right next to it we have the ensuite bathroom. Step down and we have air conditioning, views on the vineyard, beautiful wooden parquet floor here as well, and nice and high ceilings that are slanted with these wooden beams. We're now on the second bedroom of the last floor. Similar layout and space proportion with these high ceilings. We are on the other corner of the house. There is actually a window on the roof and another one on this side. And by the entrance we have the beautiful ensuite bathroom. And welcome inside the last bedroom of the house. It is beautiful and charming. It takes up the whole width of the house. In fact, we see the whole shape of the roof with these 3 large beams. On this side, we have even a large bathtub that is in the bedroom. Over there, the bathroom, and a feature I love is the presence of the fireplace. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this home just as much as I did. At the moment it is a wonderful agriturismo, but it could be very simple to convert it into a beautiful private home. Really, it's just a matter of layout. You could create perhaps a larger kitchen where there is the breakfast room right now, and it even has a really nice guest house for friends. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did, and please remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for new beautiful homes every week. Until next time, ciao!